Take ground beef like this. Spice it up with garlic spice. Massage it. Make a patty out of it. Like this. Nice burger patty. On hot pan, add the patty with some olive oil. Now flip the patty like this. Add 2 eggs. 1 egg in, another egg in. Beautiful. Salt the yolks. Add cheese on top. Like this, real quickly. Cheese is on, cover with lid. Turn off the heat. Mustard on 2 pieces of bread. Add 2 pieces of tomato. Wow, cheese is melted. Serve first egg first. Now serve the cheeseburger on top of the first egg. And now another egg on top. Beautiful layer. Don't forget special sauce, pepper sauce. Beautiful from all sides. Nice. Look inside this double egg cheeseburger. Let's try it. Yummy. So delicious. Yummy. I love it. Like, share, and subscribe, my friend.